Congratulations on your purchase contract. The next step is the home inspection. Set aside 1.5 to 3 hours depending on the size of the house. Make sure you've eaten beforehand and have had your full ration of caffeine. The home inspector will be giving a thorough examination of the home, so it is important for you to stay by his or her side throughout the inspection. As the inspector looks at all of the systems of the home and visually inspects for signs of code violations, water damage, insects, etc., he or she will be explaining to you what they are doing and what they are finding. That way, you can make an informed decision about what to do next. You will pay the home inspector directly, so make sure you bring a check. After the inspection, the inspector will write up a report with their findings. You and your realtor will discuss any of the issues that were discovered. Your realtor will help you decide which items to bring up with the seller, and then your attorney will write a letter to the seller's attorney, either letting them know that everything is A-OK or that you are asking the seller to address some of the items. Even though you have already negotiated a purchase price, there may be additional negotiations over the results of the home inspection. Your realtor and attorney will help guide you through these negotiations if necessary. If you are applying for a mortgage, it's time to work with your lender to get them all the documents they need for your approval. Remember, there is a mortgage contingency date in the contract, so time is of the essence. Please make sure you gather and return needed items as soon as they are requested. The last step before closing is utility setup and final walkthrough. I'll be back to let you know what to expect. See you then.